Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Odyssey. It's nice out today. And so I thought I had this idea that I could make this little short video cooking this banana real quick. We're getting somewhere. About halfway through the banana there. Slice it up into little circles. Put it in the pan. Make it as pretty as you like. Mine don't need to be pretty. Alright, that's the whole banana. So, then you add some butter. Like so. Sorry about that. A little too high. The goal is just to caramelize the bananas with the butter. Not to sear them. It's just like a saute. Gently sauteed bananas. No, I don't know what this dish is called. I do know it is a Latin dish, because that's who taught it to me. But I can't remember the name. The only name I knew for it was a Brazilian name, and I can't remember what the name was. But I got to thinking about this, and I don't know how it happened. I was just thinking of what I could put together one day, and the thought dawned on me. I could make that banana thing that I don't know the name of. And we're almost there. Ooh, Lordy. Didn't sit on there too long now, did I? Beautiful. Beautiful. And what you do is you garnish it with some cinnamon. I didn't end up finding that. What I ended up finding was cinnamon sugar, which is basically the cinnamon toast crunch stuff. The seasoning that's in that cinnamon toast crunch. They didn't have any like small things of ground cinnamon. If you wanted ground cinnamon, you pretty much got to spend $5. This was $2, and it was close to what I wanted. I'm not really a huge fan of cinnamon, so cinnamon sugar. It's I mean, I think the recipe actually calls for sugar or brown sugar with the cinnamon. I have some regular sugar, but being that I have cinnamon sugar, I really only already have both things in one, so I don't need to add 2 ingredients. It's just 1 ingredient that goes over the top. Now, I think we're about done, man. Oh yeah. Yeah. Slightly overcooked them, I think. Maybe not. Maybe these are perfect. A nice golden. A little bit of orange. Check it out. Okay. Then we drop our garnish. Drop our garnish on there. And then it's gonna look like something like that. Again, I don't know what the name of it is. I forgot, but that's it. Peace.